I do welcome and greet Assalamu alaikum to all of my students, especially the students from the Civil Engineering Department of the University of Lahore who are right now with me in the online lecture on geoinformatics. You will learn how to create a Polygon shapefile over there in the ArcMap software. My dear, in order to learn how to create a polygon shapefile over there in the ArcMap software, you need to follow the following steps over there. In the very first step over there, you need to open Arc catalog in the ArcGIS software. And when you will open Arc catalog in the ArcMap software, a window will appear over there. This one is called the Arc catalog window, and just like the way onto the screen you can watch a window is there onto the right hand side of the screen. This window is the Arc catalog window. Now I have opened Arc catalog window over there before you. In the second step, you need to select a folder named shapefiles over there in the Arc catalog window. If there is no shapefiles folder in the Arc catalog window, what to do? You can right click onto any folder over there by selecting that folder, or you can right click anywhere in the Arc catalog window onto the white area. I am going to right click onto the shapefiles folder over here right now. My dear students, when you will right click onto the shapefiles folder, or when you will right click anywhere in the Arc catalog window, some options will appear over there. The options like copy, delete, rename, refresh, etc. And you will have to move the mouse pointer over the new option over there. After right clicking onto the shapefiles folder over there, you need to move the mouse pointer over the new option, and when the mouse will get over to the new option, you will see another column of options will appear over there onto the left hand side. And what to do next? You have to select an option from the given options over there. That one is the shapefiles. When you will select the shapefile option over there in the list of options over there, what will be there? There will be a window before you. That window is called create new shapefiles. You will set two properties over there. That one is the name property and the feature type property. By setting the name property, you will assign the name to the shapefile over there. For example, if you want to set the name field to the cities of Punjab, it means you want to give name to the shapefile cities of Punjab. You will do what? You will write cities of Punjab in the name field over here. Just like the way I have written over here, the cities of Punjab in the name field over here. By writing something in the name field, you are going to assign the name to the shapefile. After setting the property name, the feature type property is required to be set over there. For example, over here, we want to create a shapefile. That one is the Polygon shapefile. And we want to add polygon features in the shapefile over there. Then by default, if you see over here, the feature type property has been set to the point feature over there. And we want to set the polygon feature for the shapefile. In order to set the feature type to polygon, my dear, what to do? You can see over here a down arrow over there in the feature type drop down box over there. You need to click onto the down arrow over here. When you will click onto the down arrow over here, you have to select an option polygon. And right now I am selecting in the option polygon over here. After setting the name property and feature type, my dear, you need to click onto the OK button over there. When you will click onto the OK button, my dear, what will be there? Another window will appear over there, don't worry, and click onto the OK button. And where is the OK button? OK button is here. Click onto the OK button, my dear. Congratulations! You have come to know how to create a polygon shape file over there.